Budiman, Minasny. So I'm currently at the University of Sydney in Australia. My research is mainly on soil spatial modeling and mapping. So in the field, we take observations, guided observations based on what the sensors of the space image tell us where are the most variable soils are, and then we take the samples in the field and then we relate what we observe in the field with what we observe, let's say, from the space, and we make transformative mathematical models to relate them so that we can now have an understanding of where are the soils, what are the variables that control how the soils are distributed in the landscape. To provide scientific advice in terms of the techniques that people are proposing to increase soil carbon, and also to provide advice about what's the latest findings of how can we optimize soil for storing more carbon. It's to do with also alleviating poverty. It's also to do with gender equity, and also the approach should not cause other problems, other environmental and all other social problems. So we evaluate those approaches or proposals around the world. The aim is to increase soil carbon, but also for food security as well. They interact with the organizations at different parts of the world by providing strong scientific evidence towards the practices, because there are many proposed techniques or methods, but we also need to have a scientific theory and also evidence. Soil can be part of the solution to our global crisis. So we are now facing existential threat because of the degradation of our soil, whether it's in Europe or in Africa or in Asia. They all have lost their carbon 50 to 60% since it was first cultivated, and it's our duty to reverse this degradation.